Open. Hi everyone, this is YouTube username, and I'm here to talk to you about the latest cyber threat targeting Ukrainian government employees. For the past year in Ukraine, a war has been going on in two fronts, on the physical plane and in cyberspace. Russian hackers are doing their best to infiltrate government endpoints with malware and try to bring down crucial government and media sites. According to the Google Threat Analysis Group, a huge chunk of phishing emails sent to Ukrainian targets in the first quarter of this year were from Russian hackers, with APT28 as one of the main actors in this campaign. Now, recently, security researchers from the Computer Emergency Response Team of Ukraine, known as CertUA, discovered a rather sophisticated campaign in which Russian hackers were posing as IT staff in Ukrainian government institutions. The researchers observed the hackers sending emails to Ukrainian government employees claiming to be from the government's IT department and asking them to update their Windows devices immediately in order to prevent any attacks. The hackers even assumed the names of real people who are working in these organizations and created Outlook emails with those names. If the victims took the bait, they were asked to run a PowerShell command which, rather than updating the device, would actually download an info-stealing malware onto their computers. This malicious software abuses the task list and system info commands to extract sensitive information and send them to a malicious service API via an HTTP request. So, in light of this recent attack, CertUA recommends all government IT departments should limit PowerShell running privileges on critical devices and monitor any suspicious network traffic, such as one connecting to malicious service API. It is also a good idea for any IT departments to stay informed of the latest cyber threats and use the best endpoint protection available. So stay vigilant and stay safe, everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.